Hello viewers, this is Jubilee Saikia and you're watching My News NE. Thousands of people including men, women and children took to the streets of Manipur's Imphal West and protested against Waqf Amendment Bill today. Here we are bringing you the full details. Large protest against Waqf Act erupted in Manipur. Thousands rally in Imphal East. Demonstrators formed Human Change and organized protest march. Protesting from community outrage over the bill's passage. Similar demonstrations are occurring in other Manipur districts. Tensions escalated after an attack on a BJP leader's house. Yes, viewers, thousands of people including men, women and children took to the streets of Imphal East today, intensifying protests against the Waqf Act. Demonstrators from the key Muslim-dominated areas Kairang, Kasebo and Khurai Kumdiong, spanning the Khurai and Hengang assembly constituencies, gathered in large numbers at the Kumidok Bazaar area. The protesters from Human Change raised slogans and organized a protest march to express their collective opposition to the bill, which they claim undermines the interest and autonomy of the Muslim community. One of the protest organizers condemned any personal attack, specifically referring the recent violence targeting BJP Minority Morcha President Mohammad Aksar Ali. He clarified, however, that the protests are rooted in community outrage over the bill's passage and will persist in democratic forms until the legislation is repealed. Protests are not limited to Imphal East alone, with similar demonstrations reported in other Muslim populated regions of Manipur, including Thoubal and Bisnupur districts. Here is what one of the protest organizers have stated.
Religion, really, it is against the religion of Islam, religion that we are adopting Islam as our faith, and this bill, this act is against Islam. Actually, Waqf is the property of our forefather that has been already donated by our forefather for the sake of Islam. It is not only other purpose, it is only for the sake of Islam. And according to this act, some non-Muslim is allowed to enter into this boat so that they can do something. And actually, on the other hand, the person who is going to enter into this boat should know the law of Islam, about the Islam. For this case, what shall they do? Actually, suppose if another such type of bill is passed against Christian, against Sikh or any other religion in this India, then what might be happen? Shall we going to transform our religion only so that we can enter to any other trust or board? So such type of bill is quietly against the constitution. It is assassinating the fundamental right to religion. So we are against this act until unless it is repealed, and we are going to hesitate. If we are ready, if we are supposed to go to the Supreme Court, we are ready to go to the Supreme Court, and we have already appealed to the Supreme Court also, and we are going to support to the Muslim law board also, and for the Manipur itself also, in different parts of the Manipur where the Meitei Pangal, actually known as Meitei Pangal in Manipur, already started in the different places, and it will keep in continue in such type of agitating, such type of people who are going to coming out to the street in a democratic way, not against the law. We are not above the law. We should be bound by the law, So government also should understand the feeling of the Musliman in this country, not only for this country, all over the world also just come to know about the treatment of this present government. If such type of law is not repealed, then something might be happen. So, and what to say, before coming to any type of crime or any type of evidences or what type of something unwanted things might be happen in this India. So this present government should repeal this law so that ordinary people and ordinary Musliman can, what to say, obey, follow this act and rule.
Now, please tell me, what are the villages that participate in today rally?
In this rally, some part from the Hanyang constituency that is known as Kairang, and two villages which is included in the Khurai constituency, that is Khabaishwe and Khomidok. Altogether, more than 5,000, 10,000 people has been participated. Religion.
Yes, viewers, it may be recalled that on April 6, tensions escalated when an angry mob torched the residence of Aksher Ali in Linglong of Thobal district. Authorities subsequently imposed curfew measures in the area to contain the unrest. Ali later issued a public apology for hurting community sentiments, while his son claimed the attack was personal and not directly related to the bill. However, the situation remains tense as community leaders continue to urge for peaceful protest and dialogue. That's all for now. For further updates, keep watching My News Any.